Hi guys, welcome back. I know it's been ages since I created a makeup look. Well, I'm back now and will be coming up with a lot more of it. So stay tuned and follow me. So we're doing this super fresh, healthy, glowing, dewy, very strawberry like makeup for Valentine's Day. You could actually wear this to lunch, dinner dates, or even to work. The whole vibe to it is very girly, not so perfect, yet very attractive. So I hope you enjoy doing it as much as I did. Let's get started. Let's start by prepping the skin. Use any moisturizer that you use on a daily basis to hydrate your face. We want a very dewy water-like finish, so make sure you moisturize well. I'm using Kiehl's Daily Revitalizing Concentrate followed by Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. Now to prep the eyes, just so the eyeshadow does not crease, I'm applying Urban Decay Primer Potion all over my eyelids. And to warm up the eyes a little bit, I'm blending Huda Beauty Tantour Contour Bronzing Cream in the shade Light all over my eyelids again. You can use any bronzer that you have at home, or for that matter, you can use any eyeshadow, any warm color eyeshadow that you have to add some depth to the eye makeup. Also, I like to start with eyes first so that if there's any fallout, it can be wiped off easily. And in this case, although there's going to be none because I'm only using cream product. I'm now applying this K Beauty Metallic Eyeshadow Pencil in the shade Blushed Moonlight all over my lids again and blending it with my ring finger. I absolutely love this shade. It's a soft peach pink kind of color and looks very, very pretty on everyone. And make sure you blend well, don't blend too hard. And the reason why we are using our ring finger is because the pressure is much lesser on the ring finger, so you don't end up blending the whole eyeshadow out of your lids. So please be gentle. You can apply the same pencil on the lower lash line, leaving the waterline aside, because on the waterline we are going to be using a soft cream color pencil just to open the eyes up a little bit more, because we're not using any eyeliner or any kind of kohl pencil in this look. Okay, so the next step is to highlight the center of the eyelids, and I'm using this Fenty Beauty highlighter. It's called Chic Phreak, to just add a little bit of sheen to the center of my eyelids so that they are highlighted and they look super fresh. You can add the same highlighter to the brow bone as well. Please also remember that you can use any highlighter or any light color shadow that you have at home. You can now pick up any brown color pencil to tightline the eyes. That's very important before we do the mascara and finish the eye makeup. The next step is to fill the waterline with the cream color pencil. The one that I'm using is by MAC, and I will list the name of the pencil down below. And curl those lashes very well, because we are not using any strip eyelashes. If at all you want to use lashes, you can use the cluster ones, which are available on Amazon. I will list the details as well for those down below. Followed by mascara. The one that I have is by Maybelline. It's called the Falsies Lash Lift. Now that our eyes are done, the very first thing that I reach out to is this strobe cream by MAC. It's available in three colors. You can get yours at any MAC store. The reason why I apply this the first thing on my face after I moisturize and hydrate my face well is because this actually brings out a very nice glow to your makeup, and it is a must have in your vanity. As you can see, I've picked out these two beauties to correct and conceal. The corrector is by Kat Von D and the concealer is by Becca, details of which I will again put down below. The reason why I've picked out a concealer and a corrector is because we are not applying any foundation to do this makeup routine, but I will still have to correct and conceal to make the skin look even. Now please go ahead and correct wherever you think you need correction or wherever you have discoloration, especially under the eyes and around the mouth, and blend it with your ring finger just the way I'm doing. I am now working the Becca concealer on my forehead, a little under the eyes, around the jawline and chin, and blending well with my ring finger. Please note I am not rubbing the concealer off. I am only dabbing it into the skin. Let's set the concealer under eyes with the Laura Mercier Translucent Compact Powder so that there's no creasing at all. I am not going to powder the whole face as I want the dewiness to come through. It's time to bronze the face up with the same bronzer that we used on our eyelids. Always apply the bronzer on the outside of your face and make sure you run it into your hairline so that it looks very well blended. And don't forget to apply the bronzer on the sides of your nose so that your nose looks slimmer. Here's the best part about this look, and that is the blush on. This one is by YSL. You can pick up any cream blush on, but do pick up a bright pink shade. Apply loads of it to the apples of your cheeks and blend very well. And don't worry about looking like a clown because more is less in this case. And why not? We all love blush cheeks, don't we? Moving on to highlighting the high points of your face, that is the temples of your forehead, above the cheekbones, bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, and a little bit on the chin. And you know the drill, blend well. The highlighter that I'm using is by MAC. It's called Hush. I don't think it's available anymore, but use any cream light highlighter that you have. Keeping the lips nude and glossy with Revlon matte color in Seduction and topping it up with a transparent gloss. Filling the brows with a Bobbi Brown brow pencil in the shade Blonde, keeping them super soft for this look. And here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed doing this with me. Have a beautiful Valentine's Day and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.